Hey, it's me again. Are you tired of me yet? Okay, we're on lesson 9. Lesson 9! Little dog says story time. Okay, we're gonna actually skip through a few of these. Okay, tell what time is shown. So let's talk about Common Core Quick Check. Number 1, what time is it? 4:30. What time is it on number 2? 12:30. How about number 3? 9:30. And number 4, don't be tricked. 1 o'clock. Good job. Okay. What time does the clock show? Give me an oh yeah. When I touch the one you would have chosen. So between the 1 and the 2, straight down to the 6. Is it 12:30? Is it 3:30? Is it 2:30? Is it 1:30? Oh yeah, it is 1:30. Okay. What steps do you use to read the time to the hour and the half hour? Well, on an analog clock, you always want to say the hour type, and actually digital too, the hour first. So you would say 5, and then look at the minute hand, o'clock. And then on the digital clock, you can see it is 8:30. Easy to read, easy peasy. Okay, draw lines to connect to the analog clock and the digital clock. So, which clock says 10:30? You can't see it because I'm in the way. We'll draw a line that way. Which clock says 12 o'clock? Which clock says 12:30? I'm just in the way. And which clock says 6 o'clock? Ooh, hello, line. That digital clock. Sorry, I can't get it to go now all of a sudden. Okay. Use the descriptions to complete the clocks shown. The hour hand is between the 9 and the 10. So we know if the hour hand is between the 9 and the 10, then the minute hand should be straight down because that means it's 1/2. So 9:30. 1 hour after 6. So it's not 6 o'clock anymore. 1 complete hour would make it 7. That's a terrible 7. Oh, excuse me. O'clock. Okay. Let's go on to our lesson now. So please write your name on your paper. Don't forget. A class went to the library at 1:30. Okay, so let's show that. 1:30. Show 1:30 on the analog clock and show 1:30 on the digital clock. So we would say, well, 1:30 would be, the hour hand would be between the 1 and the 2. It's not quite 2. It's only 1:30. And then straight down, 1:30. And then to write it on the digital clock, 1 and then 30. Okay. Let's go on the inside now. You can tell time to the hour and half hour. Start here, and you go, each time you hit a number, you count by 5. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's our half. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So hour and minutes. And then here we have again 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 9:30, and straight down to the 3 is 9:30. So go ahead and trace out it is 9 o'clock and it is 9:30 with your pencil, please. Now we're going to add the minute hand to these. So 11:30. So 11:30. Where would the minute hand go? We would know 11:30 or 11:30. Then we'll write it on the digital clock, 11:30. So here you can see the hour hand is, number 2 is pointing between the 5 and the 6, so the minute hand would go straight down. So the time is 5:30. Okay, now you're on my own. So please pause me and complete the on my own portion. So you'll be doing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, work hard and we'll do that together. Pause me now, please. Okay, hopefully that went well. Now it says solve on the back side now. Problem solving. Write the time on the clock. The hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. So let's draw that on. Now the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. And the minute hand is on the 6. What time is it? What time is it? Hopefully you said 1:30. Okay, write the time on the clock. So here's the digital clock. The time on the clock is 1 hour after 2 o'clock. What time is it? So what hour comes after 2 o'clock? Hopefully you said 3 o'clock. So we'll write it digitally. 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock. Let's go to the next. All right, here's our right math. How many minutes after the hour does this clock show? Explain. So here we have the hour hand between the 10 and the 11, the minute hand pointing straight at the 6. So the time is... Okay, please use complete sentences and don't forget to end with punctuation. Okay, have a great day.